I am going to replace an '06 Lexus es330 starter. Going to test the starter relay to make sure that is not the issue. You'll find a starter relay in the fuse box in the engine area. Have someone inside to turn on the key to hear if the relay clicks or not. This is how I determine the starter is bad, because the car has a new battery in alternator and the car will not start. First, going to remove the battery with a 10mm socket. For moving the airbags, I'll mark everything. Here's the arrow. 1, 2, 3. Then the bottom also. I remove this with 10mm. This one. And disconnect the plug, this one, and disconnect also this plug, and I'll show you. And then we will remove this 10mm and also this one. And we will remove this 10mm 1 and 2. And then we have a third bolt in the airbox also, this one I'm showing you right now. We will remove the intake neck, this one. We'll remove these 2 bolts, 10mm also, this one. Reference, you have to remove this 10mm bolt to remove the hook. This one. Disconnect this wire also. Disconnect, the airbags will come out. Here we will disconnect the electrical and the battery. Millimeter, we will remove this bolt. This is your first time replacing a starter, refer to the new starter to see how many screws come out. Move the starter with the 14mm socket. To loosen up the bolts, remove the screws with your hand. Let's remove the starter. Now compare the new one and the old one. To manually test out the starter with the battery. Positive, negative, negative, and I should test this one. it should move, but it's not moving. Okay, we'll test the new starter. Keep the negative on the ground, tap positive on the positive on starter, and you will see the front move. Going to reinstall the starter and wiggle in slowly. Going to reconnect the battery and then the electrical. We're going to hand tighten before screwing down with ratchet. Connect the bar first. In the airbag, reinstall the neck and make sure the plug is inside in the clear box. Box second. Line second. The bar and airbox third. All air filter and airbox cover. Installing the airbox cover, make sure to slide in the screw washer. We are going to reinstall the hoses. 3, 2, 1. Installed. Now we're going to reconnect electrical. Tighten air neck vent with a 10mm bolt. Install main air vent nose and tighten down with two 10mm bolts. Install pop-outs right here, and then also right here. Replug air hoses to holders. Make sure you line up with the wires that you marked earlier correctly. Is right here. And connect. Okay, we are almost done. Make sure to lay down the battery bed, install the battery, and connect the positive and negative. So we're connecting right now. And right here. We will test first in the car, if the car turns on. Okay. Okay, right now it works. It's turned on. So we can now reinstall the harness. Everything is okay. The car is turned on. Remember to return your core to get refund also, okay? So everything okay with the car right now. Thank you for watching.